bite my tongue 'cause I have to pretend.